today I'm going to show you how can you build a to-do list app, and I'll be showing you all the functionalities that you will be building with me. The first one is that we need to add a task, so let's add a task. Task 1, task 2. We can mark them as complete or incomplete, as you can see here. We can also edit the name of the task. Task 1, edited. Let's click on edit to edit it. Also, we can click on delete to delete a specific task. And if I add the new task again, task 1, and I want to delete them all by one, I can just click on here, delete all, and I click on OK, and as you see here, the tasks are not present anymore. Also, another thing that I wanted to show you is that we will be using an API that is called local storage, which is a functionality that is native in build of the browser. So I will be adding the two tasks again, task 1 and task 2, and if I by any chance want to reload the page, I should be persisting the data. So let's click on reload. As you see here, the tasks are still present, and this is why, because we are persisting the data, and no matter if we are reloading the page, our data will be there. So stay with me until the end of the video, because I will be showing you step by step how can you build this beautiful app.